Model, 65-plate Renault TRAFIC short wheelbase, diesel SL27dCi 115 business van body, silver, panel van mileage, 85,391 MOT, 30 December 2023 engine, 1,598 cc R9M 115 E5A transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, non-runner. We got this started on full 24V battery, head gasket needs replacing, gearbox and clutch look all good. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features: 1 former keeper, parking sensors, air con, electric windows, EU status, Euro 5 HPI, clear cap, retail, £7,295. Click the link in the description for pictures.